I am Edward Santos. I'm 46 years old, and I'm working as a project assistant with the National Council of Churches in the Philippines. So in Batang, during the Typhoon Yolanda, there were strong winds and there were storm surges that destroyed almost 95% of the houses in the community. They were able to go to the evacuation center, but some people were still casualties in the area. So right now, a lot of the coconut trees, which is the source of their livelihood, and also the fishing, which is also one of the sources of their income, were all destroyed. So the NCCP ACT Alliance Group went to Batang 2 days ago to deliver relief goods to the community. So there are all 173 families who were affected and who were given relief goods. The relief good contains 25 kilos of rice and other food items like cooking oil, like salt, dried fish, and we also gave them sleeping materials like sleeping mats, blanket, and also kitchen utensils and equipment, and a hygiene kit. According to the latest data of the Department of Social Welfare and Development, the Typhoon Yolanda has affected around 4 million people. Given the extent of the damage that you have seen, it will take 10 years to really rebuild or return back to the situation before the typhoon. So it will really take 10 years, about 10 years, to reconstruct and rebuild all the damaged houses, and also to revive the agricultural and fishing industry in the region. Well, the very next step is to rebuild again the houses of the people in the community, because a lot were displaced and some are still in the evacuation centers right now. So the first agenda is really to help people, support people to rebuild their homes, their houses, and also a lot of children were displaced. So a lot of them are still not going to school. So our effort now is concentrated to how to start and resume classes for these young children.